Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by linking hardware. Plug the Xbox HDMI into the capture card, then the card into your display. Once done, attach your headset to the controller or use a USB headset so you can monitor live. Make sure the capture card drivers are installed on the PC and your capture app is running. You do this now because a direct HDMI pass-through with the card ensures game audio flows to both your TV and the recording software for clean capture. You now configure both the Xbox and the capture software. On the console, set HDMI audio to stereo uncompressed so the card receives full channels. Also confirm party/chat mix to include game/chat as needed. In OBS, add the capture device, choose the capture card as the audio source, set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz, and enable separate tracks if you want game and mic isolated. Then set audio monitoring to hear the stream in your headset and tweak gain so levels stay in the green. You're ready to record. Hit record or go live, then run a quick test to confirm game audio, chat, and mic levels. Once satisfied, capture full sessions and export. If audio drifts, apply small delay compensation or align tracks in your editor. If you don't hear audio, first make sure Xbox HDMI audio is enabled and the capture card is selected in your software. Then check drivers, controller/headset volume, and privacy permissions. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.